in a sense. Digitally, you're seeing these massive campaigns, but just from a Delhi perspective also, Preeti, if you look at what's happening between the DMK Congress and all of the talk of their alliance, the BJP and the AIADMK together, for also the parties of like the BJP and the Congress, they have a lot riding here. Yes, it's mostly, the Dravidian parties fighting it out, DMK and AIADMK, but they've clearly hitched their wagon to each side, so they have a lot at stake too.
Well, if you guys will take a North Indian opinion, because
we're very open. We're very open. Contrary to the kind of narrative they set, we're very open.
See? Thank you. So if you guys will take a North Indian opinion coming from Delhi and somebody who is, the national perspective to a very deeply regional election. And I think in Tamil Nadu, it's one of the very few states where still the election is centered around, regional issues, Tamil being Tamil, regional identity. And I think that is something which is very interesting to look at. And what you just spoke of, Akshata, it's very interesting because, I was just reading up on the history. Since 1987 was the end. I think the last election you guys had in Tamil Nadu was 1987, which marked the end of national politics in regional state elections of Tamil Nadu. And that is, when AIADMK and DMK came in. And it's, what I think is, what is amazing is that it's one of the few states where it's not an NDA alliance here. Because every time I've heard EPS, speak, he'll always say it's an AIADMK alliance.
They
are the bigger brother in this alliance as of now. So for big national players, it's, the dynamics are very different in other states. So
do they struggle?
Juxtapose.
Do they struggle to understand Tamil politics?
Who they?
The political parties, the national parties, BJP, Congress.
The fact is it's so different. They haven't been able to make, any ground since 1987 is because they struggle to understand Tamil politics. And if you look at it, if I can just take up the BJP in all of this, they've been able to do that. So when you talk about X factors, they've been able to break that regional divide in a place like West Bengal, where again, it was regional pride, regional identity, which was very strong. So it's a, strange parallel that you can draw. So that's what makes this election very interesting, because in Lok Sabha elections, you had a vote share where the BJP came off with, they hit double digits in just vote share. It's also a state which I think is very different from other states that we cover in the north. Why I say it's very different is because your politics since the 80s is not religion centric. It's never been. That, at least that's what I know. It's not religion centric, which is very different. And yet you have that